Today we are going to synthesize transition metal complexes with ship-based ligands. In this we have two steps. One is synthesis of ship-based ligand and other is metal complexes with ship bases. Weigh 200 mg of benzyl hydrazide in a beaker and add 8 ml of distilled water to the solid to dissolve the compound. Benzyl hydrazide is totally dissolved in water. Now take 310 microliters of salicylaldehyde in a test tube. Now add 3 ml of alcohol to the salicylaldehyde to dissolve the salicylaldehyde, and then now add salicylaldehyde to the benzyl hydrazide solution dropwise upon stirring with glass rod. Continue the stirring up to 10 minutes. Now the precipitation is formed. Now filter the product by using Buchner funnel. Wash with cold ethanol. Now this solid transfer to a 25 ml conical flask for recrystallization. Now we are going to recrystallize this compound. Add minimum amount of alcohol. Minutes we will get good crystals of salicylaldehyde benzyl hydrazone. Now scratch with the spatula. Filter the crystal by using Buchner funnel. Preserve the crystals in a while and go for the further step. Point and record IR spectra for the ship bases. This is spectra of your ship base. Take 40 mg of copper salt in a beaker and take 40 mg of iron salt in a separate beaker. Dissolve copper salt in alcohol. Dissolve iron salt in water. Weigh 70 mg of ship base and take it into a test tube. Dissolve it in 1 ml of ethanol. Heat the mixture on a steam bath. Add metal solution to the completely dissolved ship base solution. Once precipitation begins, put your test tube in ice cold water 10 minutes. Filter the PPT by Buchner funnel. For synthesis of iron complex, take 70 mg of ship base and dissolve it in 1 ml of alcohol and heat it on water bath. Then after getting clear solution, add previously dissolved iron salt solution to the ship base. Now for precipitation, keep it in ice cold water for 10 minutes. Filter the iron complex or Buchner funnel. Wash with cold ethanol. These are the metal complexes of ship base. This is copper metal complex and this is iron metal complexes. Measure the melting point and record IR spectroscopy for these two complexes. IR spectra of copper ship base complex. This is the spectra of iron complex.